Concerned about undercuring or unsure if restorations are fully set? You're not alone. Curing dental materials properly is crucial to their optimal performance and longevity. Dental restorations are complex and hinge on many factors, such as lights, materials, patient, and clinician. Research shows that undercured restorations result in premature failure because of marginal defects, secondary caries, or fractures, leading to pain, discomfort, and repeated dental visits for patients. Wouldn't you address a factor that could lead to undercuring? Light curing is pivotal. Yet how can you be sure of your lights? Just looking to see if they are working isn't enough, especially when 1 in 4 lights are 20% outside their expected output. Enter CheckUp by Bluelight. Eliminate uncertainty around curing light performance. With CheckUp's chairside light testing solution, know instantly if a light is patient-ready, needs tuning, or should be benched for repairs. In just minutes, evaluate all your practice's lights and get specific curing times based on your light output and materials. The outcome? Superior patient care, consistent results, and total trust in your equipment. Confidently deliver every restoration today with Bluelight.